Dito sa Tarlac, nagkaroon ng controversy nung ang Vice Mayor ay nag-take ng oath to assume the position of Mayor. However, si Mayor Susan Yap ay nakakuha ng status quo order galing sa Korte Suprema. Ano ba itong status quo ante order? Ang status quo ante order ay sinasabi lang niya kung ano yung sitwasyon bago ang COMELEC decision na disqualifying her from the office ay yun ay mananaig. So in other words, babalik muna si Mayor Susan Yap as mayor pending doon sa determination ng Korte Suprema whether correct ang COMELEC sa pag-disqualify sa kanya on the ground of residency. Nung nag-file ng petition si Mayor Yap, ay merong dalawang tao, Amado De Leon at J.R. Capulong Navarro. Ito ay mga opisyal, kapitan actually si Navarro, doon sa barangay Tibag kung saan sinulat ni Mayor Yap na siya ay isang residente. Nung final sa COMELEC ito ay dinismiss ng COMELEC Second Division yung kanilang petisyon. But on motion for reconsideration, grinant ng COMELEC en banc yung kanilang petition to disqualify the mayor on the ground of misrepresentation kasi hindi daw siya resident ng barangay Tibag for at least 1 year prior to the election. Ang allegation ng mga petitioner warehouse lang yung alleged address na nilagay ni Mayor Yap doon sa kanyang COC. And yung COMELEC, ni-revisit nila yung Supreme Court decision sa Limbona versus COMELEC. At ang sabi dito, ano ang ibig sabihin ng domicile? Ang domicile of choice must be for an indefinite period of time, sabi ng Supreme Court. And the residence at the place chosen must be for actual and permanent stay. There must be an intent to abandon all other domiciles or residences in order that yung new residence or yung new domicile mo ay mai-consider na permanent. And because of this, ang sabi dito merong misrepresentation si Susan Yap sa kanyang COC, therefore disqualified siya to continue as mayor. Yung vice mayor naman immediately took her off as mayor without waiting for the writ of execution issued by the COMELEC as well as the Department of Local Government. And because merong lapse of around 2 or 3 days, nakapunta pa si Mayor Yap sa Supreme Court at ang result was she was able to get yung status quo order and naibalik siya bilang mayor. So ang pinaka-importanting doktrina dito ay ang pag-determine ng resident is yung intent to live there permanently.